Are sneakers really comfortable? This question might seem simple, but it's one that could spark an interesting debate among footwear enthusiasts. With so many sneaker brands on the market, each claiming to provide the epitome of comfort, it can be challenging to discern the truth. Today, we delve into the world of sneakers and investigate the comfort levels of various brands. Take a brand like Vans, for example. Traditionally known for its skateboarding shoes, the company is now focusing on comfort to attract a wider audience, particularly millennials. Vans is betting on its Comfy Cush line, a range of sneakers with enhanced cushioning and weather resistance, to lure customers away from its competition. While Vans is enhancing its comfort game, it's also balancing the promotion of its new lines with the marketing of its classic styles. On the other end of the spectrum, there's Allbirds, the sustainable footwear company. Allbirds stormed onto the scene in 2015, quickly gaining popularity for its comfortable shoes and disruptive business model. Despite its initial success, the brand faced financial challenges and a decline in revenue in 2023. Allbirds focus on its core products, the Wool Runner and Tree Dasher, both celebrated for their comfort, attest to the importance of comfort in the sneaker world. But what about hypebeast sneakers? The collectibles that are more about status than practicality. These are the shoes that people buy to display, not necessarily to wear. While they might look good on a shelf or in an Instagram post, their comfort levels are often not the primary concern. So what's the verdict on sneaker comfort? It's a mixed bag. For brands like Vans and Allbirds, comfort is a central part of their marketing and product development. They understand that a comfortable shoe can make all the difference to the wearer, but with hypebeast sneakers, comfort can take a backseat to style and status. In conclusion, the comfort of sneakers can vary greatly depending on the brand and the specific model. While some brands prioritize comfort and invest in technologies to enhance the wearability of their sneakers, others focus more on the design, status, or exclusivity of their products. As a consumer, it's essential to do your research and try on different brands and styles to find the sneaker that offers the best blend of comfort and style for you. The world of sneakers is vast and diverse, and there's a perfect pair out there for everyone.